Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today's gonna be a first look at the hand wash app for the Galaxy Watch by Samsung. Oh, right after this. So yeah, in the midst of this whole coronavirus thing, which FYI YouTubers, you can't say coronavirus on camera, you just can't put out false information or otherwise you'll get demonetized. But yeah, in the midst of this whole coronavirus thing where, everybody's telling you to stay safe, stay clean, stay inside, all that stuff, Samsung actually put out an app that you can install. No, it's not like pre-installed or nothing like that. Where you can go ahead and set reminders on when to go ahead and have your watch remind you to wash your hands. But yeah, you can see these are the presets right here. I didn't set any of these. Like you can see freshen, breakfast, you can see keeping clean, lunch, keeping clean, snack time, keeping clean, and then dinner. Now for me, I'm black and I have a black family. We have our dinners at it don't matter when. It'll be like 12 o'clock in the morning and dinner still be the same dinner that we always have. Where we get the food that was just cooked, we go in our room and then eat our dinner at 12 o'clock at night. But yeah, it's free obviously. You can go ahead and download it on the Galaxy Store right now. So if I go ahead and show you that, let's go over here to the Galaxy Store if we can go and find that. Alright, so Galaxy Store, all you gotta do is go ahead and look up hand wash. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Hand wash. Alright, so it didn't show up for some reason when I looked it up directly on the Galaxy Watch, but you can see right here, hand wash by Samsung Electronics. And then you can see all the screenshots right here. So you can go ahead and log when you washed your hands if you don't go ahead and just wash your hands when the reminder pops up, and that's the reminder right there. Basically, it'll go ahead and give you like a timer alarm sound, like the regular timer sound when you go ahead and set a timer on your Galaxy Watch. But you go ahead and tap on one of these buttons right here. No, you can't use the bezel to go ahead and select one of the options on the left or the right. Or you can go ahead and skip that hand wash on that reminder that you have set on the app. So you have that there. You can go ahead and wash your hands at that time and it'll go and automatically log it for you, and that's what it'll look like. So it'll go ahead and start a countdown for how long you need to wash your hands, and then after that it'll say all done. It'll do a little alarm sound again for the timer, and then it'll go ahead and log it right there. So right now it actually got 4 stars in the Galaxy Store, so I guess that's cool. But yeah, you can get it for the Galaxy Watch Active, you can get it for the regular Galaxy Watch, the Gear S3 I'm pretty sure, and I think the Gear S2 is out of the question. So now let's go and check it out. Alright, so I'm in my bathroom here, and the cool thing about this app is that it comes in 2 parts, I guess you could say. So it comes in the app and it comes on a watch face. So if I go over here, you can see hand wash, and that's what the watch face actually looks like. So you can see the time, you can see how many times you washed your hands today. I don't know why Bixby just pulled up, but you can see the last time you washed your hands, and you can go ahead and just wash your hands by tapping on that. But now let's actually go to the app right here. So let's go over to the last page and you can see it right there. So hand wash, let's go and tap on that. And I can see the time since the last wash. I can see how many times I washed my hands today. I can wash it now. I can see the whole schedule. And I didn't get my reminder yet where I can go ahead and accept the hand wash or go ahead and snooze it or even just skip it. But once I go and click on a notification and go ahead and accept that, it's gonna basically bring me to this screen right here. So it says initialize hand wash when ready. So basically at this point, you want to go ahead and get the soap and everything in your hands. So I'll go and do that right now. Get the water on and just go ahead and tap on start, and it'll just go ahead and pull up this timer right here. So you go ahead and wash your hands for this long and then just stop when it tells you to. And just like that, all done. So at this point, there goes another hand wash. So at this point, I can go ahead and just turn off the water, dry my hands, and then I'm done. And that's basically how the app works. So these reminders can get annoying. I know it did for me, so I had to go ahead and scale back on the reminders. But you can go ahead and tap on these reminders. You can go ahead and set the time and everything. You can go ahead and add your own reminder here. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and remind me at 8 o'clock p.m. to go ahead and wash my hands. I'll just go and tap on set. And if I scroll over here to 8 o'clock p.m., there we go. And if I want to go and delete that, just go and tap on that and then just tap on delete. So you can't delete the ones that come with it, but you can delete the ones that you set. But if you don't want the ones that come with it to go off, just go and turn it off like that. And I don't even have breakfast. I don't remember the last time I even had breakfast. So that's really not necessary. I mean, I'm not even up by that time. So like, what's the point? And then if I go to the watch face, I can see again how many times I washed my hands, and that's how it's going to look for the always on display. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for the hand wash app by Samsung for the Galaxy Watch and the Gear S3 and all that. So pretty cool app. If you want to get it, go and get it. But if you want to go ahead and just not get it, I understand that too. We'll see how long they actually keep supporting this app. But yeah, it's a pretty cool app. I mean, it is what it is. We'll see if I end up keeping it or not. But it was cool of Samsung to go ahead and release this. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. But that's gonna be pretty much it for me, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at EcentTech on Instagram and Twitter, and also Facebook. But Instagram and Twitter is where I'm most active. But yeah, so what do you think about the app? Do you think that you'll get it for your Galaxy Watch or not? Or like, how you feel about it? But yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. And peace out. Stay safe. Wait, stay safe. That's not a word, Latrell. Stay safe. Stay inside. You already know that. Wash your hands. All that good stuff. Okay. Peace out.